I just want to ask you one question, and this has always been in my mind and many people's mind. Many of us get mixed up between religion and spirituality. You know, and the way you explained, I have heard many of your talks, sister, and never you bring any kind of religion. Your talks are so simple and you connect to people immediately, but at the same time very effectively and impactfully. But I have never heard you promoting religion A, B, or C. Just now, also in your talk, you mentioned about mandir, you mentioned about masjid, you mentioned about church, gurudwara, all in one go. So, is there any difference? Many a times we mix spirituality and religion. So, can you help us to clarify the difference between the two?
All religious prophets, when they came onto this planet, and we've all studied their teachings, right? So whether it's Gautam Buddha, whether it's Mahavir, whether it's Shankaracharya, whether it's Jesus Christ, whether it's Muhammad, Abraham, every prophet that came onto this planet was teaching almost the same thing. Way of teaching, way of expressing, way of practicing, lifestyles, that could be different. The message and the teaching was the same. And that message was about peace, about love, about compassion, about caring, about unity, and connecting to the one supreme power. So everyone pointed up there that this is one God and we are all his children. And they were teaching us the religion of the soul. The dharam. Dharam means religion. What is dharam? Dharam means quality. Like we say, pani ka dharam. What is the dharam of water? It is to give coolness to us when we drink. That's the quality of water. What is the dharam? The religion of every soul. It's peace, it's love, it's happiness, it's purity, it's power, it's knowledge, it's bliss. 7 original qualities of every soul. That is the religion of every soul. And every prophet, religious leader, saint, they came on the planet and they taught us only those 7 original qualities, and we were meant to implement and practice those 7 original qualities. They did not come into this world to establish separate religions. They had not come to establish separate religions. They had come to teach us religion, religion of the soul, religion of the soul. Then what happened? Apart from connecting to what they taught, we also started connecting to teachers. So one is connecting to the teaching and one is connecting to the teacher. When we started connecting to the teacher, so obviously I'll say your teacher and my teacher is different. So because your teacher and my teacher is different, we started saying you and me are different. It's then that we started making different religions. But actually, religion is here. Religion is not like this. They came here to taught us the religion of the soul. We said we are Hindus, we are Muslims, we are Christians, we are Sikhs, we are Jains, we are Buddhists, because we were following different teachers. That was also fine. We can follow different teachers, but we should follow the teaching also with that. Na? But today we have reached such a stage that we can fight with each other in the name of religion. Now, no teacher taught that. Every teacher said love, compassion, unity. Today we can fight with each other in the name of religion, which means we are not implementing our religion. So let's take the teaching of the religion, and the teaching is the religion of the soul, and start practicing that in daily life. So spirituality means a personality of the spirit. The spirit has those 7 qualities. Use those 7 qualities in your every thought, word, and action. And we all use it. But do I use it for 5 minutes or 5 hours? In those few minutes, I am spiritual, which means I'm using the qualities of the soul, the spirit. So we all are spiritual, and religion teaches us to be spiritual, to use those original qualities. All that we need to do is we implement what religion is teaching us, and the dharam of the soul should come in our every karam. That is very important. So dharam and karam are together. It cannot be that early in the morning I pray, I meditate, my dharam, and then during the day my karam is like in a different direction, and then I say nahi, but practical life mein to ye karna hota hai. No, dharam and karam has to go together. When our every karam is based on our dharam, then we are truly spiritual, we are truly religious, we are practicing our religion, following everything that religion is teaching us. So, spirituality is only teaching us how to practice our religion.
Fantastic. So can we say that religion is a vehicle to spirituality, and when religion is man-made, so it helps us to achieve the religion.
Yes,
Uh,
absolutely. It is teaching us to become who we want to become.
right.
Just that we need to hold it and
Yeah.
practice it, and use it. Use it in our every karam. That is very important.